Hello students, today we are going to start with the next package, that is next practical, that is based on your accounting package, and you all have to use for that GNU Khata. For GNU Khata you all have to install GNU Khata either 6.0 or any higher version of 6.0. Mostly you all can use 6.5 also students. So in this there are different SOPs which we have to perform. From that we are going to perform there are two SOPs total. We are going to perform only the SOP number 1. So the SOP number 1 of this practical is that we have to create a company. Just a minute. Here you all can see this is the opening screen and how to create the company profile and all that. So we have to perform the same practical for this accounting package which is based on your GNU Khata, and the skill set 4, that is accounting package. In that we are going to use the first SOP, that is we have to use the accounting packages to create the company. We are going to create a company. For that we have the particular details, that is the company name is BB Enterprises, case is the uppercase, company type is profit making, the financial year of the company is given, that is from 1st of April 2019 onwards to 31st March 2020. After that, what is the question you all have to do? You all have to create a profile with this data of the company, and you all have to create an admin account for this company. So now we will start with the practical. So here students, see I am using GNU Khata's version 6.5. In this you all have to select a company. Now we are creating a company for BB Enterprise. I have already created a company for BB Enterprise. So instead of writing BB Enterprise, I will use the different name for the company, that is BB Enterprise 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. So I have created a company by BB Enterprise 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, you will have to select company setup wizard first, and then you will have to create your company, that is BB See what I have done? I have gone on company wizard, and then I am going to write here BB Enterprise 1, 2, 3, 4 is the name of my company. The case they have said that you want the data to be displayed in uppercase, which is used for the profit making. So here you all have to write the profit making, and from which year they have said is, that is from 1st of April 2019 up to 31st March 2020. After that, GNU Khata you all are using for which purpose? You all are using it only for accounting. So select the accounting purpose and click on proceed. Okay. Then here you all have to fill the address and all the information. So we will fill the address, city, okay. Then state Maharashtra, countries India. Then your contact number, provide the contact number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, the contact number, then the website. Now I am creating a website of www.enterprise1234.com. My mail ID is enterprise 1234 @gmail.com. Okay. Then your fax number. What is the fax number? Suppose I am giving the fax number as 0202234156. Then is your PAN number. So you all have to provide a PAN number. Provide any duplicate PAN number. Suppose ACFPD 3456F. Okay, then your service tax number you don't know, and then click on proceed. After clicking on proceed, you will have to give the username and password for your creating of that program. As they have said that you will have to create an admin account. So here you are going to create a admin account. So your username, suppose I am giving username as enterprise, password suppose I am giving password as AA. My confirm password is AA. Security question is what is my birthplace? Okay, and the answer to this is my birthplace I am mentioning Pune. Okay, the password is AA and username is enterprise. So we will click on create and login. So this will be the dashboard which will get loaded when you will create the username and password. So here are the different types of voucher, cash and bank statement, income, expense, assets, liabilities of your particular company. Of company BB Enterprises 1, 2, 3, 4. See here, if you click on this, here are the different types. That is what is masters you all have to create. What are the different types of vouchers you all are going to create. About the administration, changing of your password and that. Everything is given here. So in this way, this is your next practical which is performed on GNU Khata 6.5. You all can use any version higher than 6.0. So we have used the version 6.5 and 7. So in this way, this is the practical, the last practical which is based on your accounting package, that is GNU Khata. Thank you.